Hi, today we're at Mantelli Sales again, and today we're going to look at a Flagstaff SUPERLITE 526 RWS. Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to take a little tour around this fifth wheel. I'm Ron and Judy's behind the camera, and we're Full-Time Dreams. This fifth wheel is a smaller one, a shorter one than we normally see. Laid out very nice with a lot of nice colors. Start out here in the kitchen. We have some cabinets above the sink. The sink, this is taped shut right now, but it's a double sink. It has the hose that comes loose or comes down on it. We have a 3-burner propane stove with the oven. Underneath the oven there's a big drawer to put your pans or whatever in. Underneath the sink there's a cabinet. Place to put your garbage can or whatever else. On the side here we have a place for sponges, washcloths, whatever you use. Then we have some drawers. There's 3 of them. They're all plywood, none of it's fiberboard, it's all plywood drawers. And right here you can see the brackets. There's up and underneath the bed there's an extension for the countertop that comes out. Above the stove we have a microwave and a cabinet up above. That one you might have to be a little bit taller or have a step stool for. Above the refrigerator there's another cabinet. So there's a lot of storage in this little fifth wheel. Refrigerator. It's a refrigerator and freezer. And as we can tell, inside of here we have the tire pressure monitoring system. So you can keep track of what your tire pressure and temperatures are while you're going down the road. Into the living area, we have cabinets up above the television. Television opens up so that there's more cabinet space behind the television. That's a big area. Then we have 2 speakers. We have a DVD player and stereo system, and probably can play CDs in there as well. And the fireplace down below, and that'll put out heat as well. On the very end of the camper there's another cabinet. On top of the cabinet we have the power plugs that go down inside. This is not a jackknife sofa. This comes out and pulls all the way out so that you have a queen size bed. Above there you have some more cabinet space. Like I said, there's a lot of storage in this little fifth wheel. In the dining room area we have a table and 4 chairs. The table pulls out so that it extends so you can make it longer. And we have a remote control for the Max Air. There's a Max Air above here in the kitchen.
The ceiling fan.
That's it, along with the ceiling fan. There are cabinets at the end here. Cabinets down below. On the shelf here you have both an outlet and a USB charging station. Just inside the door there's another cabinet. We'll go up the stairs. Off to your left, when you're going up the stairs, you'll see control panels. And this camper's wired for solar. It also has the Wi-Fi Ranger. In the bathroom there's another Max Air fan with another remote control for that. Inside the shower there's a shower miser. And it's a porcelain toilet with a step flush cabinet above the toilet. I have a medicine cabinet that's above the stainless steel sink. Below the sink there's another cabinet. In the bedroom we have cabinets across the top and above the bed. I have a vent above the bed that does not have a fan in it, but it is a vent. On either side of the bed you have a couple of shelves. The shelf over here on the left hand side of the bed is taller and has a bigger surface. It has outlets and USB charging ports, and that's a big area for people with CPAPs. And it has 3 drawers along the side. On the side of the this side of the bed there's a cabinet with glass doors or mirrored doors that goes in for a wardrobe. Underneath the bed there's more storage, and you can see that's the extended the countertop that extends out. On this wall here it's set up so that there's a TV backer so that you can put a TV on this wall with an outlet and cable and satellite connectors. And right here is for an antenna. Okay, on the outside we got the step above stairs. You can pick them up, they pick up real easy, put away, come back down. On the outside we can see here, this is your hot water tank. Got an outlet and a place to plug in the TV. We have speakers up above. We have the back to the rear where the refrigerator is. We have a full power awning with LED lights. We have an outside kitchen. Nice little refrigerator, cabinet outside. There's an outlet and the stove turns out so that it's outside. 2 burner propane. Underneath this side there's a propane quick connect for a grill. We have a ladder that goes up onto a fully walkable roof. We have a full bumper with a hitch receiver so that we can put in a bicycle rack or whatever type of rack you want on the back. They're all LED lights, and there's it's wired for backup camera. This is where you plug in your power cord. It is a 50 amp power cord. And this right here is where you fill your fresh water tank. The slides have slide toppers on them. You can see that we have slide toppers over top of the bedroom slide. We have lights on the side here. Underneath is where your gray and black flush. You have the back outside of your furnace. This cabinet is locked. That's a full pass-through. We'll show you from the other side. There's a propane tank on both sides in the front. In the front, we have the electric motor for the electric jacks. We have the 2 batteries, and we have a power disconnect switch in here. On the side, we have vents to breathe, for your batteries to breathe. You have docking lights, and you have the controls for the power, the electric booms that raise and lower the trailer. Down below, there's another place to hook up your solar. This fifth wheel comes with a turning point hitch, so that you don't have to have a sliding receiver in the bed of your truck. This is the other propane tank. That's locked up. There you have it. This is the Flagstaff SUPERLITE 526 RWS. If you have any questions, contact Mantelli Sales. And we thank you very much for coming. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave us some comments down below. And share this with everybody.